This is our Iron Rhino 750-pound class hydraulic jackhammer for a skid steer. This jackhammer has a weight of 995 pounds. The unit has a maximum flow rate of 20 GPM and uses bits with a 2.5-inch diameter. This is a jackhammer we've added to our rental fleet. We like to test the equipment that we sell, and putting equipment into our rental fleet is another way we can learn if it has any problems. What you get with Chipper LLC is a company that does rentals, sales, and demos of products to make sure you're getting a good product for a good price.